Hi guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to solve question number 5, Jan 2020. A car travels at constant rate 40 meters per second in a straight line along a horizontal racetrack. At time t0, the car passes a motorcyclist who is at rest. The motorcyclist immediately sets off to catch up with the car, so same time. The motorcyclist accelerates at 4 meters per second for the first 15 seconds and then accelerate at 1 meter per second square for a further 30 seconds until he catches up with the car. Sketch on the same graph, on the same axis, the speed time graph for the motion of the car and the speed time graph for the motion of the motorcyclist from t equals 0 to the instant when the motorcyclist catch up with the car. First, to sketch the graph of speed time graph, we can start to show the horizontal line to represent time and the vertical to represent speed or velocity. For the car moving with constant velocity 40, so we can show that it's moving a horizontal line. With speed 40, you have to show me the speed here is 40. For the car moving with constant speed for 40, but for motorcyclists immediately, so the same time, accelerate for 4 meters for time. It's given the acceleration and the time. You have to find the final velocity. So the final velocity V equals U plus AT. V is 0, A is 4, T is 15, so the answer will be 60. So for 15, moving with acceleration means inclined line, start from 0, same time, but it's a given moving for the first 15 seconds. So you have to show this part, the time is 15 and the velocity is 60. Second part, accelerate at 1. This acceleration is less than this value, so the line have to be less steeper than the first one. Will be like this. The time given is this part. The length of time here, it's t. You can find the final velocity, but in terms of t. In the second part, we use V equals U plus AT. Final velocity is initial velocity, use it as 60. Acceleration is 1 and the time is t. So will be 60 plus t. This is part A, the velocity time graph. At the instant when t is equal t1 second, the car and the motorcyclist are moving at the same speed. Same speed will be 40, same speed at this time is t1. How to get t1? From V equals U plus AT. The final velocity is 40. Initial velocity is 0. Acceleration in this part is 4. And time t, you can calculate the time t1 will be 10. So this time is 10. This is part B. Part C showed that t squared plus kt minus 300 is equal to 0, where k is a constant to be found. To get the value, to get this equation, the common in between is the distance covered. If say they meet at this point, the distance covered by the car is the area of rectangle is equal to the distance covered by the motorcyclist. We can divide it into triangle and trapezium. First, find the area of the car is equal to the area of the motorcyclist. Area of the car is rectangle, so length times width. This is 40, and this is 15 plus t. So the first distance is 40 multiplied by 15 plus t. This is the area of rectangle. But for the motorcyclist, I will divide it into area of rectangle, area of triangle, have base into height. So have base is 15, height is 60 plus area of trapezium. Area of trapezium is equal to half a plus b into height. So have, open bracket, a plus b is 60 plus second one 60 plus t, 60 plus t into the perpendicular height, which in between is t. Expand and simplify. The first part have times 60 times 15. Have times 15 times 60. So the answer will be 450 plus half of t times 120 plus t simplified is equal to 40 times 15. So the answer is 600 plus 40 times t. Simplify 450 plus half times t times 120 will be 60t plus half of 80 squared is equal to 600 plus 40t. Move to the other side to be 0 and rearrange your expression, half t squared. When you move 40 and 60 will be 20t. 450 minus 600 will be minus 150 is equal to 0. Multiply by 2 to remove half to be t squared. Multiply by 2, 40t. Multiply by 2 is 300 is equal to 0. You can use this equation to solve to get the time t. It's given here, show that t squared plus kt minus 300, whereas k is a constant to be found, means we found already it, which is equal to 40. He didn't ask to continue and solve the equation and get the time. Maybe another examiner asked to get the time by solving the quadratic equation. That's it. Thank you.